Good evening, everybody. This is me again. Pumunta na kami sa Saguiho
And
Cafe.
I don't know where Saguiho is. It's coming from Jupiter. So, Kenneth, kindly guide me.
Are you familiar with Makati Street, diba?
Makati is yung kabila. Parallel dito, diba?
Yeah.
Pwede, that's Hilpuyat pala. So, we're gonna go there.
It's been a long time since I have recorded and produced a video blog. It's a long story. I won't tell you right now. So, saan na tayo? Yan yung Makati Avenue, right?
Yes, so magla-left tayo dito. Am I correct?
Kung pwede lang.
Yeah.
Sana nga pwede.
And right now, si Lester ng Feastbox ay nag-text na sa akin. Nasaan daw kami? Lester, on the way na kami pag napanood mo tong video na to.
So, sino yung nasa likod natin? Sina Recho, di ba?
Oo, si Recho. Tsaka yung bagong vocalist namin, si Frank.
Si Frank?
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, this is Brian.
Hi.
The guitarist of In Nomine Patris.
Yes. And camera siya ako.
And Ron's already in the venue, right?
Yep.
Siya pala yung nauna sa
tingin mo kailangan ba natin ng ganyan? Kasi di ba kailangan ng costume dun, oh?
Di na kailangan. It's only optional.
Kailangan natin ng sungay.
Ito ba yan? O nga, no?
Di ba ang ganda, oh? Oh, may sungay pa. Pero sungay ba to? Akong puso, eh. Parang nauna ata si Seth.
Oo nga, eh.
Baka isipin ni Seth, magka-jowa.
Mga puso nga. Ayun, no? Hindi naman siya sungay, eh.
No left turn.
No left turn.
So I have to find a left turn or a U-turn.
U-turn. Mag-improvise lang tayo.
Yeah, I think going to the gas station.
Pwede rin. Shortcut.
But
I know may...
be correct.
Parang sungay yan, eh. Ayun, no?
Ano?
Yung peddler, yung may dalang sungay.
Sunga rin.
Oh.
Sunga man yan. Sunga man. May powers.
Akala ko nga supisa, cat ears. Yeah.
Actually, it was bat ears yung binibigay niya ata. But the other one was sungay. Or horns.
Hindi pala pwede mag-U-turn. Ayun, no?
Oh, no U-turn eh. Malinaw na malinaw, bawal mag-U-turn.
Diretso lang tayo, tapos kunwaring nakamali tayo ng daan, tapos mag-U-turn tayo. Just a little bit further.
Sige.
So, right here in Saguiho. Ito siya. Joining here with me is the band called In Nomine Patris. Say hello.
Hey man, what's up? What's up, man?
Okay.
I love you, Nonong.
Saan?
Ganda ng ngiti, oh.
Ayun ang pogi!
Basta! Malita! Ito ang bukol sa Castigo. Idol ko doon. Ay, grabe. Bakit ang mga bird? Please! Shit!
So how's the recording process
We're
in
doing good so
Tokyo?
far. I mean, we've recorded all the instrumental tracks. We're gonna come up with a full-length album. It's gonna be 10 songs plus one DDT extract, bonus track siya. So our new vocalist Frank, by the way. So we're gonna record all the vocal tracks
Also known as Hardin Pinoy.
this month. Yeah,
I just
solo
saw
artist
sa
siya
Facebook.
pa. Hardin Pinoy.
Facebook name is Hardin Pinoy.
Solo artist, folk, rock and roll, man.
Kasi
Glad to
Yan
have
ang
him
next
on board.
Aljur Abrenica.
Oh!
Alam mo Hardin pala ko, Aljur Abrenica.
So for Retcher, di ba balito ko may bagong pedals ka, di ba?
Alright.
Paano
Sabihin mo na!
Sabihin mo na!
Kay Makoy.
Oh, thank you to Makoy of
Espiritu ni Makoy, nakuha ko na.
Si Rainiel, pare of Throne of Sanity, pare, was kind enough to session with us for now. Kasi dapat tonight we're gonna be sporting two keyboards. Si Donnie nga and si Rainiel. Just so happened, Donnie, his wife just gave birth. So syempre, di mo naman pwede iwanan, anak mo yun, diba? So congratulations to Donnie, pare, malaman namin siya. Happy kami for him.
Any last words, guys?
Pare, you know,
Hindi ka na album. Walang pirated ha.
oh,
Hindi kayo.
support Pinoy music, pare.
Tapos
OPM.
spread the page.
We're gonna come out with the album once we're wrapping up with the instrumental tracks and then huli na yung mga vocal track. Hopefully by January.
So, tapos na tayo. Support the
That's
album,
good.
pare. Please check out our page.
We're recording in Tower of Doom, and our webpage is our Facebook name is Il Nomine Patris.
Check us out, pare. www.facebook.com/INPmetal. INP Metal, pare.
Yeah.
Check it out, bro. Thank you so
Thank you
much.
guys. Thank you guys.